Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. On January 5th of 2023, at around 3:15 in the afternoon, emergency operators received a 911 call from a cell phone in Boone County, Kentucky.
At least 2 people. All I did is kill 2 people. 911. Hello. It's better than nobody.
The operator stays silent on the line, and a minute of silence passes.
Hold up. 911, hello.
Another eerily quiet moment goes by.
911, hello. Just try to kill 2 people.
The dispatcher continues his attempts to hail the caller, and eventually removes his headset to inform his coworkers.
He might be my dude, but he's definitely not talking to me. I can't hear anything in the background other than just killed 2 people. And he's not, I hear him mumbling, but...
Over the next several minutes, the call taker continues his attempts to communicate with the caller, who remains silent on the line. After nearly 4 minutes, the call is dropped, and no one answers when dispatch tries to call the number back. Unsure of whether they had a gruesome scene, a prank call, or a possible swatting, the county immediately dispatched several deputies to the home.
I had a 911 hang up the open line from a cell phone, and a male subject said that he just killed 2 people. Well, he's disconnected. He's possibly playing video games for the call taker. You can hear a keyboard in the background, and he's also cursing.
Who just walked up there?
Do you want a rifle, or do you want me to block the road, or?
I don't know yet. Probably. Dispatch, do we think this is a swatting call by chance?
That's possible. Call taker can't arrive.
Alright, do we have priors at this address with a different phone number that maybe we can try?
I didn't see anything. Prior to the phone number with a suspicious person on road.
What's that truck? Run that tag, see what it comes back to. See if there's an emergency contact.
Garage opening! Garage opening!
No, that was my bad.
We got contact. Male juvenile coming out talking to us.
Show us your hands.
I was playing the game, and I butt dialed the phone.
Okay.
That was my bad. What? No. It's only me home.
Is everyone inside okay? Okay, bring him out. Just keep walking towards us, okay, buddy? What's your name? Elijah, you're doing great. Come on. Come up here.
Do you need EMS started?
Okay. You're not hurt or anything like that? All right.
Do us a favor, turn around. Turn around.
Yep.
Turn around, you got me covered?
Yep.
Alright, just put your hands behind your back. I'm not gonna cuff you right now. Do you have any weapons on you or anything sharp?
Are you playing video games? Did you piss somebody off?
I was playing Rainbow Six Siege inside.
I didn't get swatting. Did you call?
What'd you say when you're on the phone accidentally?
I can't remember. All I remember was a 4-minute phone call.
What's your name, bud?
Elijah.
Okay, you can relax. Okay, so this was just an accident. You called 911. Did you say you killed 2 people or something like that?
Rainbow Six Siege. I had my headset on.
Okay, how old are you?
17.
You're 17. Do you have a driver's license or no?
No.
Okay.
I don't have a driver's license.
Are you? Where's your parents at?
No one else is in the house?
No.
Does he have a problem if we check?
Just hold on a second, okay?
Do you care if we just check and make sure everybody's okay, nobody's in the house?
I took my dogs away. I have 2 German Shepherds inside. We can do that real quick. Put them away.
After ensuring that at least one occupant was secure and that the story appeared to be that Elijah butt dialed 911, the officers called his mother and cleared the home.
Mom. Yeah, there are 4 of them right here. I was playing the game. I had my headset on, and I butt dialed the police officer on accident. And I was in the game. You know how I act when I'm in the game. And so 4 of them came here.
Do you want me to talk to your mom?
Yeah, you can.
You're not in any trouble, man.
All right.
If it's an accident...
Hey, is this Elijah's mom?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey, so what happened is, I guess he's saying that he was playing a video game, and in the process of accidentally calling 911, he said that he killed 2 people, but he was talking about on the game. So we thought that there was a double murder, so we showed up to your house with a bunch of us. That's why we're here talking to your son, okay? So there's nothing to be worried about, okay?
Yeah, I got a call.
Yeah, we're just trying to we're just doing our due diligence here, trying to figure everything out and make sure that everybody's okay, because we have to do that when we get a 911 call. So
Right.
we just wanted to inform you. Are you nearby or no?
No, I'm in Highland Heights at work.
Okay, well, we would like to just check out the inside of the house, if that's okay, just to make sure that
Did you put the dogs away?
yeah, your son was telling us that the dogs need to be put up first, so I just wanted to talk to you before, so we can get your permission, okay?
Yep, that's totally fine.
Alrighty, well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.
All right, here we go. Put them away. You got the other side.
Okay, hold on for me. Let me just get my supervisor on speed with us here. Hey, we can go in, put the dogs up, check the house, and go 10-8. We're just gonna go ahead and put the dogs up and check the house real quick, please.
All right.
Oh, you're just playing right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
It sounded like because you were playing video games, talking about shooting and killing.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah.
We had was an open line that sounded like.
Yeah. I had my headset on. I was sitting on my phone. I couldn't hear anything on my headset.
Black male, 5'10".
You okay?
Yeah.
You understand why we did what we did?
Yes, sir. Come listen.
Okay.
What were you playing?
Siege.
You any good?
I'm level 106, so.
Well, you killed 2 people today.
Yeah,
so.
I appreciate you coming out even though it wasn't easy.
Yeah, I walked over there, saw 2 cop cars, and I looked over here and I saw something. So
Oh,
I'm
shit.
feeling-
What did I do? Did I miss school?
That guy over there,
Damn. They were serious about that.
that guy over there scared the hell out of me, but
During an interview, Elijah explains what he believes happened.
So what I believe it was is if you hit the power button and the volume button at the same time on the iPhone, it'll pop up to emergency SOS. You have to slide it. I believe that's what I did on accident. The button slid, and that'll go straight to a 911 dispatcher or a call center.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.